Hello, in this video we will share the top 7 ways to make money online. So let's get started. If you are looking for ways to make easy money online, here are the top 7 money making ideas you may consider. 1. Create website or make blog. By sharing your knowledge, expertise, hobbies, experience and interests, you can build a successful website or blog with little amount of investment, as low as having an internet connection only. You don't even need to be a webmaster, a geek or techie to build your own. You just need to understand and be familiar with the basics of creating website or blog, which include domain name, web host, page template or layout, content and basic HTML codes. Having your own website or blog, you can easily make money by selling your own or others' stuff and ad space. There are so many online opportunities that you can make money with. In addition to that, there's no limit on the amount of income you can make with your own website or blog. 2. PPC advertising or marketing. PPC advertising is another easy money-making idea that you may use to make money online. PPC advertising is a keyword bidding for as low as 1 cent. If you're the highest bidder of the keyword entered by the user into the search engine query box, your ad will be the No. 1 on the list of the sponsors on the search engine results page, SERP. With PPC advertising, you can make money online without the need to create your own website or product. You just need to have a credit card and budget of as low as $5 to pay for the clicks on your ad at the bid price. If you have these requirements, join affiliate programs that allow PPC advertising and find a saleable product with a convincing landing page. Then, open an account with PPC advertising site, create a compelling ad and bid on low-priced keywords relevant to the stuff you're promoting. Just don't forget to compare the cost of the total clicks against the commission you've earned. Based on your analysis, tweak your ad and keywords or change the product you're promoting. 3. Online games. If you know how to play popular games like chess, Scrabble, backgammon and many more, you will surely have fun making money with online games. This kind of program allows you to choose your game and your opponent on the net. The money you make is based on the pot money agreed by you and your opponent. There are also tournaments that being held and offers huge prizes to the winners, but these could be tough as you will be competing with a large number of players around the world. 4. Internet auction. This is also a great money-making idea that does not need to create your own website. You just need to have your own product and a free internet auction account. You may have your own product by buying resale rights stuff and through joining a dropshipping program. With resale rights, you may resell the product you purchased. In dropshipping, you promote the product and when someone has placed an order, you receive the payment. Then you order from your contact dropship merchant who will deliver the item directly to your customers. When you've got or sourced your product, open an account with eBay or other auction site and make a compelling sales and bidding page. 5. Personalized products. This money-making idea is best suited to people who are creative. This type of money-making program offers everyone to design various products in any way they want and pays commission on the products sold. There are lots of products available that people may put their personalized design. You are also provided with online shop where you can promote, display and sell these personalized products at the price you set. The markup you've earned from sale will be paid to you on agreed date. 6. Domain names. This is a simple money-making idea of collecting domain names and make money without posting any content. There are programs that offers pay-per-click advertising revenue while your domain names are parked with the author of the program. Through the scheme, you may also get some offers from interested buyers. The strategy here is to choose profitable domain names with .com as top-level domain. Many internet users just type the domain name of non-existing website, which they think is live. There are other strategies to select a domain name that makes money. 7. Freelancing jobs. If you possess skills in writing, web design, web building, programming and other freelancing or online skills, this money-making idea may apply to you. There are websites that allow people and companies post their one-time job requirements or projects and let the freelancers make an offer or bid for the job. My final thoughts: I suggest that you primarily consider making your own website and/or blog. With established website, making money is easy. Consider other money-making ideas as your secondary source of income. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation for making money online, click the link below the video. With that, this is LT with 7citiesmarketing.com. See you on the next video. Goodbye.